how to add authors to your blog in Wix Studio. So to do that, what we can do is we can head right here to our blog and then just scroll down until you can see this writers option. So just click on this writers option right here, and from in there it will load in order to let you add some more writers for your own website. Click onto this add a writer option, and then once you have done that, it will actually allow you to add the writer, and it will show up this window right here. Just wait for that to continue the loading process. You can either invite a new writer or create a writer profile. So let's use this writer profile right here, and then let's edit out according to our liking. You can add in here the name of that. I'll name this VM1, and then I can add them a title if I want. I can also add them a profile picture if I want to as well. Once I'm done, I just need to click onto the save option. Once they've been saved, I can head over to my post and add them as writers if I want to. So that's how you add authors to your blog in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.